Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you two methods that you can try to fix a purchase not available in Brawl Stars issue. So the first one would be to clear your cache of your Brawl Star application. So I'm showing you the process in an emulator, but you can use your mobile devices as well, iOS or Android. It is the same process. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to press and hold on the Brawl Star icon and you'll see this app info. Press on that. It will take you to this page. From here you will see you'll have to press on storage and it will take you here. You'll see clear data and clear cache. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to clear your cache here by pressing this one. So if you clear your data, you can do it as well. If you are already connected with your Supercell ID and you have saved your progress, you can clear data as well. And it will wipe your data, but as you have already connected your Supercell ID, you can just re-log in and then your save file will be loaded. So try this method and see if your shop is available or not. So if the error still persists, what you can do is you can simply uninstall the app here and then reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store. So if the method still persists, what you can do is you can check if the age of your account is way too less, like less than 18. So sometimes parental restrictions get applied if the age of your account is less than 18. So what you can do is you can try creating a new account and then simply when they ask for your age, you will have to put 18 plus, like, and then try and see if the purchase is okay or not. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.